Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to update your email address or switch to a new one, changing your email in Perplexity AI is simple and important for keeping your account secure and accessible. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to change your email in Perplexity AI effectively. So first thing, log into your account, okay? So open perplexity.ai, click login, okay? And enter your credentials and access your account. So go to your account settings, so click your profile icon, select settings. Okay, so this opens account settings. Find email section, so look for email or account info. So you have here the email section. Okay, so now type if you want, or click edit or change options. Okay, so after that it should be here. Okay, so click edit or change option and enter new email. Okay, so type your new email address, double check spelling. Okay, so after that confirm change, so click save or update. You may be asked to verify. Okay, so after that verify your new email, so open your new email inbox, look for verification email, click confirmation link. Okay, and the email will be verified. Okay, so re-log in if needed, so log out and log back in using the new email and the new or the old password that you have or you had before. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.